Hello everybody and welcome back to Everything Created. It has been so long since I've posted and I do apologize for that, but I am back, and that's the point of this video, is to tell you I'm back and I have future plans for the channel, for a blog, online store, and now even a business. So I'll give you some backstory. Every job I've had I've loved, but they have not been directly related to my real passion, which has always been plants and animals and rocks and nature and whatever else. So I decided to pursue what I'm calling my dream. I want to be back on YouTube. I want to have a blog, and I've already started the blog. Actually, I posted that just not that long ago, and LLC is underway. So Everything Created LLC will be the name of my company, and I will be starting an online store as soon as that's done. So I'll go ahead and tell you what you can expect from here on out for this channel, as well as for the other side of what I'm doing. I plan to try to post a video every week or every couple of weeks. I haven't set an actual schedule yet. I'll get that figured out as soon as I can, just depending on what I can do. For those of you who don't know me personally, since my last video, I moved out from my parents' house, and I am now married, and I now have a baby, and I now have a beard, sort of. But anyway, and life is much busier now, obviously, as you can imagine. So I have to kind of bide my time carefully and choose what my time goes towards. And I feel like a YouTube channel is something that I really want to get back into full time. And so what you can expect from my store whenever it comes out is immediately I'm listing dwarf water lettuce because I have a ton of that. There's one. They're all over my aquarium, as you can see. All these roots hanging down here, these are all dwarf water lettuce roots. And I have already pulled out like an entire small trash can full out of this aquarium, put them in a tub outside so they can continue growing out there. I didn't have the heart to throw them away. Those will be for sale on my website, and at some point in the future, I'll be selling these or something like it. I hope this is focusing. I don't know. I'm trying to show you the prettier side. Anyway, these are rock rings. I use semi-precious gemstones to carve rings, and I do plan to start selling those on my website as well as other rock related things. I plan to have isopods on there in the future, and just anything nature related, you might see it on my website. And this of course could be a long time in the making, but I just want you all to know that it's coming, and I kind of want my store as well as the blog and the YouTube channel to kind of grow together at the same pace. And I'll figure out eventually what size I can manage, and hopefully continue expanding as time goes on. So anyway, that's it for this video. I know there's nothing fun plant related in this video, but I plan to be back at it here very soon. And I just wanted to get on here to thank you all who have been subscribed to me for this long. At this moment, this is also for my records. At this moment, I have 644 subscribers. So to all of you who have been subscribed to me for a long time, thank you very much. I really appreciate you sticking around this long. And for those of you who are watching this video for the first time, feel free to stick around, like and subscribe, comment. You can message me on Facebook or Instagram. My username on both of those is EverythingCreated. And I'm pretty quick to reply most of the time. So if you want to reach out, ask me questions, give me suggestions. I'd love to hear those in the comments or on my DMs as well. So I really appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Stay green.